What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 10 in the 7th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question tells us that Mr. Kelly pays this much money a year for rent, and his rent is a constant amount each month, and we're trying to find the equation that represents the amount he pays per month if M equals months and C equals total rent paid for the year. So the big skill that this question is testing is how to translate a problem. And I will be doing a little bit of multiplication at the very end of this. Alright, so I'm going to start by remembering my words that if I see them in a problem will tip me off that I'm multiplying. And that's each and per. The word every could tell you the same thing. The word every also tells you that you're multiplying. And so if I look on either side of each of my multiplication words, each and per, I'm going to see that it starts with a constant amount each month, and then we're asking which equation represents the amount he pays each month. And since M equals months, I'm looking for whichever answer has some number times M. Now I look at choice A and I see that this is 1047 times M equals C. That looks right, but let me go ahead and knock out my other answer choices. Choice B, it's 1047 times C equals M. Now we were wanting to multiply by M, so that tells me that choice B is out. For choice C, it's 1047 plus M. Well, that's not multiplying. And then choice D, it's M divided by 1047, and that's also not multiplying. So choice A is looking like it's going to be our right answer, but I am going to check it just to be safe by actually going ahead and multiplying, recognizing that a year is 12 months. And so if I want to go ahead and test this and see if it actually gives me 12,564, I just need to plug in 12 for M and then multiply. So I'll go ahead and just do the standard algorithm for the sake of time. 1047 times 12. So there's that. So I start with my ones digit. 2 times 7 is 14, also known as 4 ones and 1 10. 2 times 4 plus 1 gives me 9 tens. 2 times 0 is 0, of course, and then 2 times 1 is, of course, 2. And now I'm done with my ones digit. I'm done with this little thing. And I'm putting a 0 down here to remind myself that I'm essentially multiplying this top factor by 10. So now 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. Now all I have left to do is add all of this up. 4 ones plus 0 ones gives me 4 ones. 9 tens plus 7 tens gives me 16 tens, 6 tens, and 100. 100 plus 0 hundreds plus 4 hundreds gives me 5 hundreds. 2 thousands is just 2 thousands, and 1 10,000 is just 1 10,000. So if I multiplied 1047 by 12, I did end up with $12,564, which the problem said was the amount that Mr. Kelly paid every year. So it makes sense that over 12 months, if he's paying $1,047 per month, he would end up paying $12,564 per year. Now this last step wasn't completely necessary. I did see that the number 1047 showed up in all of my answer choices, so the math part of this wasn't the most important part. It was more the translating part, but it is still nice to check your answers sometimes.